It's okay, honey. We'll come back tomorrow.
Fuck that. I need me a #2 meal now.
Ever wonder how people are making viral AI videos that blow up on TikTok? Baby AIs, pets, even full-on influencers. They're everywhere right now. And here's the secret. It's not magic, it's AI. And I'm about to show you how to do it too. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to make your own viral AI videos using Veo 3. Beginner friendly, fun, and yeah, you might just hit that 1 million view mark. Let's go. So in order to create these viral videos, you need to have a Google V3 Flow account. You can sign up at labs.google/fx. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. After you've signed in, click on Flow, then click New Project. Now once you're on the generation screen, you'll see the text to video box. Here you can change the mode, so if you want to use frames to video, you can do that. Or you can switch to ingredients to video. Note, in order to use that, you'll need a Google AI subscription. For this example, we're going to select text to video. Then click on settings. Here you can change the aspect ratio to landscape or portrait, and you can also adjust how many outputs you want at once. Next, you'll see the different models of Veo 3, but we're going to leave that on V3 Fast for the best speed and quality. Alright, now we can go ahead and enter our prompt to create the viral video. For this example, I want to make a funny video of a baby doing an interview, so I'll head over to ChatGPT to help me create my prompts for Flow. The best prompts to use for your AI videos are JSON prompts. If you're not familiar with what a JSON prompt is, basically it's a structured script that turns your character from robotic into realistic. With JSON, you can define emotions, tone, pauses, gestures, all the little details. And yes, you can ask ChatGPT to help you create JSON prompts to make your AI videos even better. Now, I've already created some pre-written JSON prompts that you can use right now for your viral videos. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description below. Once I have my prompt ready, I just plug it into Flow and boom, here's what it gave me.
I don't want a nap here.
Dad snores too loud.
I want to go to Granny's house.
Looks really good. Now let's talk about the frames to video mode. This is how you bring your AI influencer to life and keep a consistent character across all your videos. First, switch over to frames to video. Click the plus sign at the bottom, then click upload and upload your AI influencer's photo. Once the photo is uploaded, you can go ahead and insert your prompt. Here's the final result.
What the fuck, man?
If I wanted to extend this video, all I'd have to do is click on Scene Builder in this mode. And boom, that's how you create viral AI videos with Veo 3. You now know both methods, text to video for quick clips, frames to video for influencers, plus JSON prompts to make them smooth and realistic. Check the description for my JSON templates in the Viral Starter Bundle to get started. Smash that like, subscribe for more AI content, and I'll catch you in the next one.